Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to do this makeup look. This was requested by a number of you guys and this was spotted by Alia Bhatt on Akash Ambani's wedding and she looked stunning in her yellow lehenga. So Sakshi, Kaniz, Nana, thank you for your request and I'm really sorry if I'm missing out anyone's name. So if you want to see how to do this super easy look, then let's get started. So I just tied my hair randomly in a bun. I'm not good with my hair at all and I'm really sorry I can't show you any hair tutorial. It's just that I cannot do anything with my hair. So here I'm taking my Maybelline Master Prime primer and I'm just putting it all over my face with the help of my Color Bar buffing brush. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This is one of my favorites. This foundation never fails me. It is super good, it has decent coverage and it is pocket friendly. So I am using my Real Techniques sponge and it's a damp sponge and I'm dabbing this foundation all over my face for a really good and smooth base. So I spend a lot of time doing my foundation, because if your base is not good, then your makeup doesn't sit well. So I blend the foundation really well and take my time so that the base looks natural. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I'm applying it under my eyes in a triangle shape. And then using the same damp sponge, I'm going to blend it really well. I love this concealer because it does a great job in hiding my dark circles and it doesn't look cakey at all or heavy at all. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and I'm using this to highlight my under eye area. So again, I am applying it in a triangle shape under my eyes and then blending it again with the help of my Real Techniques sponge. What this does is it lifts my under eye area and makes it look lighted up. Next, I'm using this Bharat and Dorris loose powder and with the help of my Real Techniques sponge, I'm just packing it under my eyes and I'm not blending it with my sponge. I want it to stay like that for a couple of minutes till the time I am done with my eyeshadows, because there might be fallouts and I don't want it to ruin my base. So whatever fallout might happen, the powder will catch it. And then I'm also setting my base with the help of the same powder. So I am dabbing my sponge all over my face except for the under eye area. Next, I'm using Maybelline the Nudes palette and I'm going to do my eyebrows using this dark brown shade. And I'm doing my eyebrows with the help of my Color Bar flat eyeshadow brush. It is a stiff brush and it really does a good job. Next, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Contour powder and using the brown shade, which is the contour shade. And with the help of my Oriflame blending brush, I'm going to apply it in the crease of my eyes. This brown is a mid-tone brown. It's not too warm or too cool. And it looks beautiful as a crease shade or a transition shade. Next, I'm using this glitter black Smoky eyeshadow pencil from Oriflame and applying it as a base all over my eyes, leaving the crease area. You can use any other base like any other crayon or gel liners. The base really helps to intensify the look. Next, taking my blending brush, I'm going to blend the up portion so that there are no harsh lines. By the way guys, thank you so much for the love and support that you guys showered for my last video. If you haven't seen my previous video yet, go watch it because people are loving it and it makes me super happy. That was also an Alia Bhatt look from her friend's wedding. Next, using the Smashbox eyeshadow palette, I'm using this dark brown shade. You can use any dark brown shade that you like. And with the help of my Body Shop flat eyeshadow brush, I'm applying it on top of the base. And I'm just packing the color in for an intense look. And then with the same blending brush, I'm blending the edges once again so that everything comes together and looks seamless. And then I'm packing the dark brown color again, mainly near my upper lash line. Now taking this contour shade again, here I am removing all the excess powder that I have with the help of my Body Shop foundation brush. And then back to the contour shade, I'm using it on my lower lash line, and then using the dark brown shade on my lower lash line as well. And I'm applying it a little above the contour shade so that the contour shade is still visible. And then using this black shade from the Nudes palette, I'm using it on my lower lash line just above the dark brown. I'm also using the black shade on my eyelids near my lash line for an intense look. And then I'm applying this Avon Nude lip liner on my waterline, and this will help my eyes look bigger. Next, I'm curling my lashes and applying mascara. And the mascara I'm applying is my current favorite, which is L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And I'm also applying it on my lower lashes. Next, I'm using this Body Shop bronzer and I'm gonna bronze my face. And the brush I'm using is the Oriflame blush brush. And I'm applying it on the hollows of my cheeks, a little bit on the edges of my forehead and my jawline. Next, I'm using a very pretty pink blush from Maybelline Master Contour Palette. And I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks with the help of my QVS blush brush. Then taking this beautiful golden shade from the Smashbox palette, and I'm gonna apply it as a highlighter to highlight all the high points of my face. Now taking this Lakme Iconic Kajal, I'm just drawing my bindi. Then I'm applying this Lakme 9 to 5 nude shade, and then I'm using L'Oreal Pro Matte Lip Gloss in the shade Nude Allude on top of it. And you're done! This is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and comment. Also, 80% of my viewers are not subscribed to me. Guys, if you watch my videos and like them, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate the support and it would mean the world to me. So hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.